Rkroyal is cooking again. They have the cheapest keyboards, absolute mad lads, the budget kings as usual. This is their first magnetic keyboard. They're getting into it, so definitely show them some support. They're trying to branch out into more performance gaming, good specs, using some high quality PCBs. So we're gonna unbox them, test them out, compare them, which one's better, which one's good for which scenario. Dude, oh, that's nice. First impressions, it's extremely light, obviously made of plastic. It's $40. You can't expect an aluminum bezel for that. We got a little X symbol here. You got your function keys on top. You have an insert, home, delete, end, page up, page down. So basically you're really just, you got almost all the functions of a full-size keyboard, but like without the number pad. So there's the side. Nothing too fancy. I like the dark purple accent, like the line all the way around. On the back you have nothing there. It's just like a cutout for maybe another keyboard or something. Then you have your Type-C port there. I guess this would be where you're like mode switch and like where they'd put the dongle for their other keyboards. So they probably just like use this mold from another one. But I like the shape of it. And then you have the same thing on this side, and you have a little RK Royal Kludge symbol right there, which I appreciate, like that. On the back you got a little tiny metal plate there. You got 4 rubber feet. Quick sound test. I like it. It's cute, it's light, you could throw it around, you could beat it up, you could break it. Who cares? It's 40 bucks. Just go get another one, you know? That's what I like about cheap keyboards. You can really just do whatever, like, oh no, I dropped it, oh, you know? Okay, so it's an 87% layout, 86 keys. It's got hot swappable switches. It's got ABS keycaps, custom creamy switches. I'll put the information for the switches somewhere on the screen around here somewhere. It's also got anti-ghosting, and it's compatible for Windows and Mac. That's pretty much it for this one. It's a pretty standard keyboard. Okay, let's unbox their first magnetic mechanical keyboard. There you go, man. There it is. C61 magnetic keyboard. Like the inside feels heavier, not necessarily the outside, even though it's a smaller keyboard. Yeah, I guess for its size it's heavier, if that makes sense. All right, so this one comes with more. This one just came with a cord and that's it. This one comes with all the gamer stuff. You have your keycap and switch puller. I like the color. I like the blue. It's very nice. Pretty quiet. Here's the little nugget of a keyboard. So on the top you have your 60% typical layout, no function keys, no functionality in this keyboard outside of, you know, your basic stuff, WASD and all this. On the side, just pretty basic body. You got a Type-C there, no mode switch, no wireless, RK Royal Kludge there on the bottom, no adjustability, just a set. They're really just all about performance here on this one. If it actually feels like 8K polling rate and the rapid trigger and all that stuff is actually like, this is gonna be like the craziest sleeper keyboard ever. Let's do a sound test on this one real quick. Okay, so this one's 0.125 millisecond latency, 48K scan rate, 8,000 hertz polling rate, 61 keys. It's got Hall effect magnetic switches. I'll put the information for the switch on the screen. It's also got a web driver, and on there they have your rapid trigger settings, your sensitivity for your switches. So we're just gonna plug it in and we're gonna show quick lighting on each one and then play some game, test it out, see how it feels, and I'll let you know how it is. Okay, it's me. Hello, I'm here. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and we'll check out the lighting modes. I haven't plugged this in yet, so let's see. Alright, comes with a cool default already, so we can do FN this to change the modes. So I'll just go through them real quick. Alright, that's cool. I think I'm going to keep that one. That one's kind of sick. And we're just going to hop into some game and see how it feels. I'm pretty excited about this one because this one has the best stats.
Enemy tagged. Follow them.
Get freaking sniped, Jeff. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where did you come from? Bro, they need to lock in, dude. Did anybody switch to healer?
They've almost got it!
Where are we headed, buddy? You don't have to do that. You don't know where I'm at, bro. Not good, dude. Not good. It's the all is lost moment. I can't lie. Somebody's gonna have to switch, bro.
Mission area is yours. I was fine, but thanks. That's all it took. Really? Thanks for the boost. Double kill.
Alright, splash damage. That's fine.
There it goes.
Did we just lose? Did we?
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
Stay away from her. There's another one down.
Us against the world.
Need some repairs.
Yours.
Your powers are mine!
Us against the world. So cold.
You're wrecked. Just keep him out. Keep him out. Keep him out. Come on. Keep him out. Keep him out. Oh! Let's go! There's no way! There's no way, bro. I thought we lost for sure. Oh my god. Get shitted on, cuz. Your ass. Magnetic keyboard. This thing felt freaking awesome in gaming. I don't know what else to say, bro. It's just beautiful. This thing's just immaculate. I don't know what else to say. Definitely check them out. Rkroyal magnetic switch. Now we're going to switch over to the other $40 one that isn't necessarily made for gaming, but we're still going to game on it. But this one felt awesome. Definitely did not expect to win that one. Helped me kind of react faster and strafe and do what I need to do. So definitely love the feel of this one. Super competitive. 10 out of 10. Love. Okay, on to the next one.
Something tells me this is a good day to have a healing factor.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Come on, bridge.
Day at the spa.
I need some heals. Yo, who's hitting me? Pulse? This was a bad idea. That's always a bad idea.
Let's do this.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Oh my god, tank spin, it worked there.
Don't step on lava.
Let's go. What the heck? How'd I get a kill there? I'll take it. Oh my god, get wrecked. Uh-oh.
Hey, those fools need more squad of zero.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Bye, Jeff. Oh boy.
Reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
An all-spider band? That's fire!
Oh, I have my ult.
Supernova!
Hey, those fools no mind squad of zero. They cannot stop us.
Opposition targeted.
Exquisite.
I'm in the trees, man. I'm in the trees, man. There's no way you're hitting me, first of all. Full stop.
Supreme.
I'm in the trees. Yeah, y'all back up. Y'all back up now. Keep backing up. Oh, that Scarlet Witch is so annoying.
The life. Reed's gonna love it. Looks so hot.
Ultron reign supreme. I have suffered severe damage.
Turned up the heat just for you.
Shit on kid.
Squad of zero and 85.
Double KO.
Shit on your ass.
Gain easy. I don't think that's the welcoming committee.
So close. This is your big chance.
Idiot.
Behold, dark child!
Keep this thing moving, shall we?
Pulse charge.
I am ready to put on a show.
Pick a fight with Photon.
Come on. Yes. Who is this Jeff? How is he hitting me around the fucking wall? Who is hitting me? Oh, she's just underneath me? Oh my god, I didn't even see her directly underneath me, bro.
Rekindled.
Another epic victory. Big win.
Did we just win? Did that Scarlet Witch just get Scarlet Witch diffed by our Scarlet Witch? Hey, yo. I didn't think we were gonna win there, but I'll take it. I don't know how these games work, man, but I mean, I was locked in, dude. What can I say? Hey. Well, that was Rkroyal. We got two X87 and the C61. C61 brand new, coming out soon, and then we have the other one, of course, the X87. You like this one or you like that one? Either one, they're both pretty great. This one's better for the gaming. This one's better for the office stuff. Click the link in the description. I'll leave it there. Hope to see you guys in the next keyboard video or tech review or whatever. Bye-bye. Leave a like, please. Smash like, subscribe, and check tech review playlist somewhere in this direction. Okay, bye-bye.